Yo, so this is a trade recap for the live trade I did on Tuesday. The live trading portion is at the end of this trade recap. I lost this trade because I did not follow my bias. My bias was bearish. But when news came out, I was like, because I saw this this massive candle to the upside. So I'm like, oh, we're bullish, we're pushing up. And then I come in here, I wait for a 1 minute break of structure to the upside. Right here was the break of structure to the upside. Did I enter there? No, because I wanted to wait for extra confirmation and it didn't hit the 0.5 mark. So the 0.5 mark is this GAN box. I was like, once it hits this, I will enter. Did it hit it? No. So I was like, no, it has to hit it. And then boom, it finally hits it. And now I wait for another 1 minute break of structure, which is right there. And then price taps into the order block. I entered long. My take profit was a little bit unreasonable. Should have been here. I should have taken 18%, 27%, 36%. I don't know why I was trying to go for 62%. So that was all messed up. And then yeah, I got stopped out and then price went my way, hits my take profit, and then it continues to go down because we were bears. So let me show you how, if I were to stick with my strategy, I could have won. So as you can see, boom, 1 hour is bearish. So price broke structure to the downside. So now there is a 1 hour fair value gap right here. We are on the 5 minute chart. Price touches this 1 hour fair value gap and it sweeps liquidity. So that's good. And then right here, as you can see, boom, price broke structure to the downside. Would I enter this? No, because it is not enough confirmation for me to get in. There is a 5 minute break of structure right here, as you can see. And then there is a 5 minute fair value gap. Let me enter this fair value gap. Now, would I automatically enter? No. I used to actually just automatically enter, but now I'm kind of waiting for more confirmation because I learned that it's better to wait rather than, I don't know, I'd rather just wait for extra confirmation. So as you can see, price touches this 5 minute fair value gap. And I'm waiting for a break of structure to the downside. Do we get that? Yes. Boom, this massive down candle broke structure to the downside on the 1 minute time frame. And then there's a fair value gap on the 1 minute time frame right here. Now, as you can see, price disrespected that fair value gap. So would I enter there? No. Once I get a retracement into the fair value gap, I'm waiting for another 1 minute break of structure. Did that happen? No. It disrespected it. And then I'm waiting for another 1 minute break of structure, bro. So boom, there's a low, candle breaks past the low, so making us bearish, and we have a bearish bias, so everything is in line. And now there's a 1 minute fair value gap that I would like price to retrace to, but does it? No. Why doesn't it retrace to this? Because there is an inverse fair value gap within here. Right here, as you can see, this is a massive down candle. And this candle created a fair value gap, which the down candle passed through it. Okay, once price touches this inverse fair value gap, I would like to wait for another confirmation as a red candle. So once a red candle hits, then I would enter this play. So as you can see, green candle, and then there's a red candle. So now, once the 1 minute red candle prints down, I would like to enter there. So boom, this prints down. So candle closes down and the next candle closes up. And after the candle closed down, I'm looking for an entry. So boom, I would have entered there. Where's my take profit? My take profit right here at this low, which is 21%. That's pretty good. And my second take profit would have been this fair value gap. Did we hit that fair value gap? No. We were close. So honestly, if I was up 38, 40%, I would have taken profit. You know what I'm saying? But it did not hit my fair value gap. So we only hit one take profit. We would have actually made 21%. But that was not the case. I actually lost 8%. This is showing you how I should have followed my strategy and my bias, and everything would have worked out. But I let the news control my bias, which don't ever do that. I let the news control my bias, and it did not work out for me. So next time I know, whatever, regardless of what news wants to do, don't follow it, because it's just playing into your area to go the other way. That's it. Now today was CPI, so I did not trade, because if I trade on CPI, that is a risk. And I realized that there's no reason to take on risk. CPI is very volatile and you can't predict it. Once that quote comes out, it's either going up or down, or it's going both ways. And so why would I take a chance on that for no reason? Makes no sense. But yeah, anyways, so I would have made 21%. And then now I'm going to try to show you a second entry, because I see one forming right here, or formed right here. Right here, as you can see, boom, that is a low candle closure below the low. And so I would have waited till the order block. Boom, got in at the order block, stop loss at this high. And then take profit would be at this fair value gap, which is 27%. Bro, so I would have made 48% just by taking 2 high probability trades. That's insane. And then my second take profit would be at these lows. Boom, which that is 46% in and itself. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I should have done. And now, after I seen these results, I'm going to backtest way more. I'm going to do more studying on the charts so I can get perfect with my entries and with my trading. You know what I'm saying? So back to the drawing board. And it's always good to always learn and study more of what you're doing in any field. But as you can see, I just had 2 perfect entries that gave me a 20% return and a 46% return. So who wouldn't like these returns? You know what I'm saying? And that's on the 1 minute chart. I never traded off the 1 minute chart in my life. I've only traded off the 5 minute chart. And now I see that there's opportunities on the 1 minute chart. And it plays how exactly the 5 minute plays out. It's just 1 minute. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna definitely do more research into this. Now that I realize when you're profitable, there's levels to it. Bro, you become profitable, but now there's more. You know what I'm saying? And then once you get like exact TikTok, boom, I think there's more than that. You know what I'm saying? There's just levels to this game. And so I just became profitable. I had 2 profitable months right in front of your faces. Look on my YouTube. I'm going to just study more so I can get these 1 minute entries, because usually I trade on the 5 minute. But I hope you guys learned from that. I will put more backtesting videos out there so you can learn from me on how to trade. You know what I'm saying? I'm not guaranteeing you any results. I'm just saying this is how I read the chart. This is how it makes me profitable, and that's it. You don't have to follow it. You do what you want with this advice. I'm not a financial advisor. There you go. Bro, this is a beautiful entry, bro. Off the 1 minute chart. That's the difference. But yeah, now I will be playing the live trading portion of this video. And so you guys can see in real time my thought process going into market open and all that stuff. It's a very different thought process than the trade recap. You know what I'm saying? So I realized my mistake. I learned how to turn it into a win. I learned that I need to do more studying. I hope you guys enjoy the live trading portion of the video, And I hope you guys enjoyed the trade recap. I'll see you guys when I post my next video. Yo, it's GMRtrades. We are back at it again, live trading. And yeah, let's get straight into it. PPI has officially released, and market is actually reacting off it, as you can see with this big candle. Market is bearish, but the way this is going up is not bearish. I think I'm going to do this. Right, since we had this major reaction, news is good. If we get to the halfway point of this, right, the 0.5 mark, which is right here. This is Nasdaq, by the way. So if we get to the halfway point, if we get a 1 minute break of structure to the upside, retrace, I'll get in. S&P 500, we are bullish still. So it's doing the same thing that Nasdaq did. They move similar. And so once this hits a 0.5, I get a break of structure. I will enter. I will also have a type stop loss. See the 0.5 mark right there. That's where I would enter off of that 1 minute break of structure. And then my take profit would be this high and this high and that high. So it's coming along, bro. Oh shit, it's doing it right now as we speak. We touched the 0.5 mark on S&P 500, and then we touched the 0.5 mark on Nasdaq. So now I'm going to wait for a 1 minute break of structure, 1 minute entry, and that's it. Price did not actually touch the 0.5 mark on Nasdaq, but it's getting bullish momentum right off that area, so that's good. On S&P 500, it actually passed it, and then now it's getting bullish momentum. Okay, so if this breaks structure on Nasdaq, I don't think I will take it because it didn't hit the 0.5 mark. Okay, on Nasdaq, we broke structure, but it did not hit the 0.5 mark, so I don't like this trade. S&P 500, we have not broken structure yet, so I'm gonna wait for that. And we did hit the 0.5 mark, so it's up for grabs right now. I'm gonna just wait. No reason to rush into a trade because this is my first time trading the 1 minute chart. On S&P 500, the 1 minute broke structure to the upside, so I will, but it's also hitting this fair value gap, so it might tank, it might not, but it's already hit the 0.5 mark. I'm not tripping. That's where I'll enter. Let me actually get my phone ready. I got my phone loaded up. Boom, right there. Oh shit, bro, I keep forgetting this shit is 5 minutes faster than that. Okay, I'm not buying because on the broker, as you can see, look, like it's already went down. So that was the up move, and then it went down. I'm not buying that because I already see what's happening. See, thank God that my broker is a little bit ahead, because if I would have entered, I would have got stopped out instantly. Okay, look at this. So this is the Nasdaq chart on the computer right there. Right, I'm screen recording that, and this is the Nasdaq chart on my broker. See that, bro? If we're on the chart, we're just trading with the chart, we're up here, but we're hitting that down candle. But my thing's like 5 minutes ahead, so I already see this whole down move before you guys even see it, which is crazy. But it just saved me. If I didn't see that, I would have entered right there. But now that I see this, I'm not entering because now I know it hits the 0.5 mark. We've finally hit the 0.5 mark on Nasdaq. So now, if I get a break of structure to the upside, then I will enter. Okay, as you can see, we broke structure to the upside, and I would enter right now actually, but I've already entered. Here you go. This is my entry. Boom, and then my stop loss is here, and then my take profit. Let me go to the 1 hour chart. My take profit is actually up here. It's an insane risk to reward ratio, bro. But I know it's gonna hit. Holy, that's 60%, bro. Okay, maybe I should trim off a little bit there and then trim off here. Okay, so maybe I'm tripping, bro. I did not realize it was 60%. But anyways, that is my entry off the 1 minute chart, bro. Okay, so these are my 3 take profits: 36%, 47%, and 62%. Oh, on S&P 500, we have broke structure. I did not enter on this, but I will enter on the chart so we can just like simulate it, you know. As you can see, this is the fair value gap, so I would enter now actually. And stop loss would be right there, only risking 7%. So these are my 2 take profits: 28% and 42% on S&P 500. So this one I'm not in, but I'm in the chart. This one I'm actually in. So as you guys can see, let's go to the 5-minute charts. Take this 0.5 thing off. Yeah, now I'm gonna just wait until price does what I want it to do or stopped out. Okay, guys, so I got stopped out. Boom. So I got stopped out of all my positions. There you go. It's all good. I only lost what, 8%, bro? I'm not tripping. On ES, we're gonna get stopped out too, so 7%. So in real life, I only lost 8%, bro. Yeah, I was trading on the 1 minute chart. It's all good, bro. I'm not tripping. So I'm gonna wait for a 5-minute break of structure and then re-enter, just to have more confirmation rather than the 1 minute. And then on S&P 500, I actually got, okay, we lost 7. And I'm going to re-enter once I get a 5-minute break of structure. So I'll be back when that happens. Alright, so, bro, what is this price action, bro? It goes all the way down, then it goes all the way up. I'm not going to trade. You know what? I'm not going to trade. If market wants to do this, I'm not trading. I lost 8% today, and then 7%. So I lost 15% today. That's all good. I'm not tripping. I lost 8%. But with S&P 500, that's 15. I don't want to trade market conditions like this. That shit is just annoying. Y'all have a good one. Hopefully you can learn something from this. Maybe don't trade on news, bro. Don't trade on no stupid ass news, bro. Or trade with a stop loss like I did, and that's it. Good lesson to learn. Don't trade on news or have a tight stop loss, and that's it. Subscribe to the channel. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram at GMRtrades. And y'all have a good one. I'm out.